Up to 15 government officials allegedly involved in the anomalous flood control projects are set to face grave charges before the Sandigan Bayan by or before the 25th of November. Among those to be charged is former Ako Bicol Representative Zaldico, along with other contractors who reportedly secured multi-million peso contracts in Bulacan and Mindoro. Sheena Torno reports.
Corruption-related, bribery, indirect bribery, malversation, falsification. Yan. Maraming ano rito. Maraming involved dito sa mga kasong ito.
This was emphasized by Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Rimulya regarding the possible charges to be faced by the individuals and contractors involved in the anomalies linked to the flood control projects. Rimulya said that they are expediting the filing of cases before the Sandigan Bayan, especially those already submitted to the Office of the Ombudsman. He added that 13 cases are currently under preliminary investigation in connection with the anomalous projects, particularly the discovered ghost and substandard flood control projects in Bulacan and Mindoro.
Target is really by November 25, we will have already or filed with the Sandigan Bayan. Indictable sila sa Sandigan Bayan.
Although Rimulya did not name all the officials who will be charged before the Sandigan Bayan, he assured that many will be held accountable. Among this is SunWest Corporation, which was linked to former Ako Bicol Representative Zaldico. This includes companies that allegedly pocketed billions through these projects.
We will make the board of directors also liable. Kaya mas marami tayong magiging respondents dito. Public officials, including the district officers, siguro mga 14, 15 people. Kasi may kasabihan dito, may sinasabi nga, hanggang janitor daw ng district office kumukuha ng pera eh.
Meanwhile, Rimulya is also studying the possibility of live streaming the ongoing preliminary investigation on the flood control scandal. He is likewise considering making his office's resolutions public to promote transparency. This includes decision related to the dismissal order of Senator Joel Villanueva.
Ipopost lang namin yung decisions. Yung Joel Villanueva decisions by Ma'am Conchita, by the former ombudsman and the former ombudsman Martires, both criminal and administrative. Kasi nga, these are supposed to be public, public in nature. All court proceedings are supposed to be public in nature. We were looking at the bounds of transparency that we can adhere to.
For God and for my beloved Philippines, this has been Sheena Torno, SMNI News.